More news coming in. This is BJP's big charge on Rahul in Punjab, releasing a video of Gandhi's spat with the police there. BJP says Rahul threw tantrums in flood-hit Punjab. Gandhi should have consoled the victims. Instead, he chose to disrupt and distract, is what the BJP is claimed, putting that video out.
लोगों के घर गिरे, अभी तो कुछ राहत नहीं मिला है। कोई जहाज से दौरा करके निकल गया, कोई गन्ने के खेत में घुसकर फोटो खिंचाकर घुस चला गया। लेकिन राहुल गांधी किसानों को मिलते हुए, पूरे गांव में अंदर मजदूरों को मिलते हुए, जिनके घर गए, जिनके जानवर चले गए, उनको मिलते हुए आज यहां किसी ने कोशिश नहीं की। जो दरिया के पार रहते हैं लोग, आपको पता है कितने गांव हैं? 7-8 गांव है, 4-5 हजार बंदा आबादी है। लेकिन राहुल गांधी वहां उनको मिलने जाना चाहते थे, नहीं जाने दिया गया, क्योंकि देश के अमित शाह नहीं चाहते, मुख्यमंत्री भगवंत मान नहीं चाहते कि हम जाएं। और पुलिस ने जानबूझ के कहा कि दरिया ऐसे हो जाएगा, आपकी जान को खतरा है।
Kamaljeet is getting in more details in the story at this point in time. The controversy, of course, has been amplified by the BJP with that video that they've put out. Tell us, what does this video really talk about and indicate, Kamal?
Well, a political war of words has broken out with Rahul Gandhi visiting the flood-affected areas in Amritsar as well as in Gurdaspur. Now, what we see in visuals is Gurdaspur in Bakoda Patan, where Rahul Gandhi was trying to go to border areas, especially along the river Ravi at the international border, where he was confronted not just by the NDRF personnel but also the local administration and Punjab police. And this is where Amit Malviya has been talking about how Rahul Gandhi, post his trip from Malaysia to Langkawi, has returned back to throw a tantrum. But that's not what Congress is putting out. Just as you heard, as the PCC chief Raja Amrinder Vading has been saying that Rahul Gandhi was being stopped to go into those particular villages, and obviously questioned the intention, saying if the border fence has been broken, then the responsibility and the onus is clearly on the government itself. Now, Vading has been saying that this is an effort by both the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP-led centre to kind of prohibit Rahul Gandhi to go into those areas, saying he's not the ones to do an aerial survey, he's actually going from village to village, and this is where it's a question of one-upmanship. But obviously Amit Malviya putting the spotlight back on Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party, saying at a very crucial and a sensitive time, that is where they're pressurizing the security force personnel, and this is where they're throwing a tantrum. But this is obviously a world view, a perspective which is very different from the political parties, each blaming the other. But definitely a crucial point is there are 553 kilometers along the international border and a major part of 100 kilometers and just about 80 kilometers in Punjab, where the fence was impacted either partially or fully submerged in several of the areas.
Yes,
Bakoda Patan has been a very sensitive location in Gurdaspur. This is where Rahul Gandhi was trying to enter those 7-8 villages where 4,000 to 5,000 people reside, and clearly a war of words has broken out. Congress defending Rahul Gandhi, BJP taking him on.
Absolutely, Kamal. Coming back to you in a moment, just listen into that video. Take a look at that controversy that has now been caught on camera.
बॉर्डर है, ये 8 किलोमीटर दूर है, वहाँ 1 किलोमीटर दूर है, तो वहाँ आपने हमें क्यों जाने दिया?
River Ravi without any bridge, so evacuation or any other thing from that side.
There's no bridge.
So there is
but you have not written that.
So that we have written it in the instance.
Instead of that, what the MLA Sahaba is telling us, we have brought the people here.
Right.
It's just we have to cross this
So
border.
basically the security concern for the protecting. So
ਯਾਰ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਕਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਡੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੁਰੱਖਿਆ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਮਿੰਟ पहले आप हमारे को हमारे देश में ही सुरक्षा नहीं दे सकते। आप कह रहे हो फेंस टूटी हुई है, उधर भी लोग रह रहे हैं। अगर सुरक्षित ही नहीं है हम अपनी धरती पे, तो फिर क्या होगा?
सर सुरक्षित रखना चाहते हैं, इसलिए तो साथ में है।
तो मतलब ये इंडिया
आप दूसरा इंडिया सर,
इंडिया में आप सुरक्षित नहीं रख पा रहे हो मुझे।
सर रिक्वेस्ट ये है, अगर वहाँ पे कोई जो इश्यूज हैं, अगर हम आपके
नहीं तो आप मुझे कह रहे हो कि हिंदुस्तान की टेरिटरी पे आप मुझे सुरक्षित नहीं रख सकते।
सर रख सकते हैं, यही कह रहे हैं, आपके सामने खड़े हैं सर,
यही कह रहे हो।
सर वी आर ऑलवेज रेडी टू प्रोटेक्ट सर।
But you are saying that is India, that you cannot protect me in
Sir,
India.
but that area is different, sir. So we have. It is our duty.
It is not India.
Sir, it is India, sir.
Then how is it different?
Sir, the terrain is different, sir. So we have to tell each and every aspect of security, sir. That is the only thing.
इंडियन टेरिटरी में leader of opposition cannot go because Punjab police cannot protect him.
No, sir. It is not. Punjab police is always ready to protect, sir. We are always there, sir.
आप कह रहे हो कि लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन इंडिया की टेरिटरी में नहीं जा सकता क्योंकि आप लोग उसको प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो, वही कह रहे हो?
नहीं, sir. We are willing to protect. We are ready to protect, sir.